This is Jonathan with Onyx Graphics, and today we're looking at downloading a trial product. The first thing we need to do is go to onyxgfx.com and make sure that you are logged into your My Onyx account. If you don't have one, we can create one. Click Log into My Onyx, click Register, fill out your information, and we will send you a confirmation email. It's very important that when you receive this email, you activate your account, otherwise this will not work. After you've created your My Onyx account, we want to click on the Downloads button at the top right of our website homepage. You'll see a drop down that says Trial Version. Click on that and it will take you to this page. We want to focus on the left column here to make sure that you're directed to the correct downloads page. Once you click Download Now, you'll be given a choice between downloading Onyx Thrive or Onyx Production House depending on the trial that you want to try. Once you've downloaded the file, open up the application and start the install process. All of the files will download to your default location, and this can take several minutes. Once completed, you'll be presented with an install screen where you can choose your language and then hit install. We'll see that come up just now. Click install, follow the necessary steps, and at the end, you'll be asked to register using your My Onyx credentials that you created at the beginning of this process. Once registered, you can immediately start use of your trial product. Thanks for watching.